Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Nahid. Today I'm painting from a photo. I took this photo near my house. I cropped the photo before painting. I'm using acrylic paint. My canvas is 30 by 40 centimeters. For the sky color, I mixed titanium white and a little yellow. Distance trees. I use bluish colors. Far away objects look cooler and lighter. They also have less contrast. This helps to show distance and depth. To mix this color, I use chrome oxide green, ultramarine blue, permanent alizarin, yellow, and white. I kept the trees soft and simple. I don't add too many details. Simple shapes and colors are enough. For the wooden background behind the flowers, I mix brown and a little white. To make the flowers stand out more, I paint the background plain and simple. I use different green for the leaves. For the sunny leaves, I use chrome oxide green, lemon yellow, and orange, and maybe a little white. And for the shadows, I use chrome oxide green, ultramarine blue, and permanent alizarin. Now yellow flowers. I paint the flowers very simply and with less detail using lemon yellow, white, and orange. Now it's time to examine the painting to see what it needs. Maybe I need to soften the edges of the flowers, or maybe the flowers need more color. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this painting process. See you in the next painting. Bye.